What's going on, guys? Listen, if you are someone that is tired of the unstable economy, right, and you're tired of the uncertainty with the world nowadays, and you're looking for something that will actually allow you to build a consistent monthly income, right, that comes in every single month that you can depend on, that you can work part-time to build, that is actually built on integrity and not hype, and you want to work with people that actually care about you and are not just looking at you like it's a dollar sign or anything like that, then what I want to do is show you something that I found. It's called the Home Business Academy. Now, I failed for like 8 years. I tried like 12 different business opportunities, and once I found this, okay, the first thing that I noticed is as soon as you get started, all right, you get a fast start training that actually teaches you and shows you a simple strategy to help you get a quick win, right? What I mean by that is with these types of programs, the reason why people quit is because they don't get any results, right? Well, this is going to teach you exactly what you can do to start seeing results as quickly as possible. You get that quick win, and that will build confidence and motivate you to actually want to build this. Now, what it is an online e-learning platform where they teach you how to build a business and sell digital products, okay? This has built-in digital products that you can resell for a commission, okay? You get 80% commissions each time you make a sale. And the sales range anywhere from $10 all the way up to $1,000, right? So just put that into perspective. The other thing that I wanted to show you is if you do choose to get started with this, make sure you click on this button here where it says click here to go all in, because there's something that I don't want to spoil it for you, but there's something that is really cool that they actually teach you in that particular video, and it's something that you're going to probably like. So make sure you click that once you get in here. But like I said before, this is something that actually gave me my first real breakthrough. I was able to hit a leaderboard. I was able to generate a monthly income, and now I'm just trying to help others see this, and hopefully it'll help you as well. Now, since getting started, okay, I've been able to jump in here, and I was able to go through all of the training. There's weekly training there's daily training every single day. We meet 11 times a week, right? There's also a 9 a.m. new members orientation where they actually walk you through the entire program. They show you how to get started, and you can also invite people to this orientation, and they will actually close the sales for you. So you really don't have to do a lot of work on your own if you actually just plug into what they've already created. And like I said, they're done for you product that you're going to be able to make commissions on. So you don't have to build your own digital product, digital ebook course or anything like that. You can just leverage what's already in here and make commissions. Now, since getting started, like I said before, I've learned the skills that I've needed to actually get results. All right, let me just show you really quickly here. I actually stopped promoting this, and then when I saw they made more changes to it and more updates, I actually started focusing on it again. This is what I've been able to do just by using some of the strategies that some of the free strategies that I learned through this program. And one of the main strategies that I use is what they teach in this fast start training. Actually, the one that they teach in this video is actually way simpler than what I was doing. So that's one of the first things you're going to learn, and I can help you also. But like I said, that's basically what I was able to do. And like the best part is about all of this is the money that you can make. Now, you actually have to put in work in order to make any money in any of this stuff, but I wanted to show you. So these are the different products, right? So there's a Let's Go app. That's a motivational daily routine app. There's also a funnel builder. This is the funnel builder. This is what it looks like. So basically, if you've ever heard of Go High Level or ClickFunnels, this does the exact same thing that all of those do, and you get it at a fraction of the cost. You don't have to pay $100 or $300 a month for it, and it comes with done for you templates that you can use, so you don't even have to build anything yourself if you don't want to. You can just use what's already in here, just plug in and start using it, right? That's exactly what I did. So you get that. You also get the premium version of the platform. It's called HBA Premium, and that's where all of the daily coaching is held. You get daily coaching from 6 and 7 figure earners. These are professional marketers that have been doing this for years, right? You're able to actually get on a Zoom call with these trainers and actually learn from them. That's exactly what I did in order to start seeing results. Now, normally, if you were going to learn from a professional marketer that's been earning 6 and 7 figures online, you'd have to pay like $3,000 to $5,000 in order to get that type of coaching and that type of mentorship. And the reason why I know that is because I actually did it, but it didn't actually get me any results. Exactly, the results that I've got with this platform way outweigh what I was getting from paying like $3,000 just to learn from someone from like 2 to 3 calls a month. We meet here every single day, right? And as you can see, it's $125, but you earn $100 every single month. So altogether, you pay $160 and you're earning $128 every single time you refer someone to this platform, right? Now I want you to put this into perspective. I'm not sure how much it costs to like cover your monthly bills, but if you look at this diagram, 25 customers would lead to $3,200 per month, every single month. That's a recurring income that you can actually depend on, right? It's something that's gonna always be there, just like your paycheck is always there for some people, right? This is a predictable monthly income that you can use to cover expenses. Look at this one, 50 customers is $6,400 per month, right? Now, I want to put this into perspective. If it took you 1 year, right, a full year to get 50 customers, but once you got there, you were making $6,400 per month, right? Wouldn't that be worth it? Like, wouldn't that be worth working part-time from home for a year in order to reach 50 customers? Of course it would, right? You're getting this, right? Of course it would. It's a no-brainer. You work 4 or 5 hours a day to generate 50 customers in a year, and then after that, you got $6,400 coming in month after month after month, doing some simple strategies that you can learn from professional marketers that are going to be teaching you every single day. And this stuff is very simple stuff, right? Once you understand the concepts that they teach and you apply them, there really isn't any limit to what you can do, right? And there's in the disclaimer right here, it says average affiliates can expect to earn $328 with this business, right? Some people are going to make more and some people are going to make less, but there's no other platform that I've seen that can make this type of claim here, because most people in other platforms don't get any results, right? Because there's no real training. It's just fluff and hype. They hype people up, they get their money, and then they don't help them, right? I've seen it time and time again. I've been there. I've done pretty much every program that you can think of. I tried 12 different programs before I found something that would work. So I just wanted to show you this. This is the sales page, right? This is the page where they actually tell you about the business and all-in-one digital business. This is Paul right here, and he's gonna just talk you through what to expect and what you get. You could also look at this. You can read through the page, and you'll also see testimonials from different people. These are people just like you and me, and they're using this platform to make generate income using the skills and everything that this program provides. Also forgot to actually show you this. This is the Financial Literacy Academy. Once you start earning commissions, let me log back in. Once you start earning commissions, this is going to teach you how to keep the money that you're generating, right? There's training on debt, as well as reducing taxes. There's stuff on like flipping real estate, stuff like that. This was put together by an actual attorney that the company works with, and yeah, this is basically one of the high ticket products that you can resell. So it's $1,000, right? But when you get started, you're gonna see how you can get it at a fraction of that if you choose to, and then once you're positioned, you can resell this over and over and over again. So I've been talking for a long time. If you wanted to get started, what you want to do is, once you get to this page, there's a link underneath this video. Okay, click that link, enter your information, watch the video, and then you're going to see a green button. Looks like this. It's going to be up here also. Once you click that green button, right, it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. You just enter all of your information in here, and you want to make sure that you check mark these boxes. So this first one is going to let you try out the HBA Premium for 2 weeks for free. So that's where all the actual training happens, the daily coaching and all that stuff. You're going to get access to it for 2 weeks for free. Go in there and actually test it out, check it out, ask your questions, get everything set up and built out, and go in there and ask your questions, right? That's what it's for. Make sure everything looks good, right? You're going to get that 2 weeks for free. Also, the Let's Go app, make sure you check mark that. This is only $10 a month, but you can reach, if you wanted to, you could just resell this $10 program. You're going to be making $8 commissions over and over from it. So yeah, click that, and then you'll see you're only gonna have to pay $35 to get started. You do have a money back guarantee. If you get in here and you don't like it, just contact support within like 72 hours and you can get your money back. It's that simple, right? And they're gonna give you a refund minus any like transaction fees or whatever, but you're only paying $35 to get started and get in here and get your feet wet and actually start building this out. Now, if you need help, I can help you. You can also get help inside the members area. This here is an AI assistant. You can pretty much ask it any question that you need, and it'll help you. Also, on the actual coaching calls, if you can't make a coaching call, you can send your question in ahead of time, and they'll answer it, and then you can just read and you can watch the replay, and you'll basically be able to like get the questions answered from the replay, right? Each coaching call, there's a replay of it. So if you miss one, you'll always be able to get the replay of it. So that's basically it for this video. I hope you got some value from this. Like I said before, if you're tired of being sick and tired, and you're tired of all the uncertainty and this unstable world that we're living in, and you want to just build something that you can depend on that is yours, then I would say jump into this platform, start building this, start generating your monthly income, and then that's basically what you can use if you're looking for something like a side hustle or whatever the case may be. All right, take care. God bless. Click the link, and I will see you on the inside. This is Steve signing off. Bye.